Hey guys, I just looked at the weather website. The news says it's gonna be having a snowstorm in parts of Kansas. Part of schools, part of colleges are closed. I think including myself, high school now is closed, and that's why I go to school. So teachers' work is canceled because of the snow, and also all the flights canceled throughout Kansas. So I hope flight's gonna get canceled and get delays. So I'm gonna be okay. The apartment electricity doesn't go out because last time the power breaker was out, so my mom fixes it. So thank goodness it's fixed. So yeah, just be careful if you live in Kansas. Just be careful out there. Just go to just 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 stay at your homes and make sure to get off the road. Some roads are closed during snowstorms, so the weather is gonna be 6 to 9 inches of snow. So this is gonna be bad. It's not blizzard. It's not the icy. It's just a one heck of a snowstorm. So we're gonna be alright. There's gonna be huge snowstorms, so we'll have to stay inside for that. So we're gonna be okay once the snowstorm in tomorrow. So I hope snow's gonna come down soon. So hope you guys enjoy this. So thanks for watching. Please sway by and happy snowstorm. Oh, sorry. Of course. Figure it's twice again one more time. So if you live in Kansas, just stay inside and just be careful on the road. So hope you guys enjoy this video and be careful out there. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe by and enjoy the snow.